guide you through how to set up voicemail on iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to open phone app on your iPhone, then tap on voicemail located at the bottom right corner of the screen. If it's your first time setting up, tap set up now, then create a voicemail password. Make sure it's something you can remember. After that, choose your greeting. You can either select default greeting or tap custom to record your own message. If you choose custom, tap record, speak your greetings clearly, then tap stop and save. Once done, your voicemail is now activate and ready to receive messages. If you want to change your greetings later, just go back to voicemail tab, tap greetings, and repeat the recording process. Also, make sure your carrier supports voicemail, and that's it, enabled on your plan. So that's it. Your iPhone voicemail is fully set up and ready to use.